Hi, my name's Selena, and I'm here to talk to you about the Pevonia Power Repair Marine Collagen Cream. I absolutely love Pevonia. I've been using it for over 25 years, and all their product lines are fantastic. But I love this one because it's very rich, and I definitely have noticed a difference in my skin and the smoothness of my skin. I love it. When using Marine Collagen Cream, my skin feels and looks very supple. It's much smoother in appearance. My pores aren't there. I mean, it's really. I've been using it now for about a month, and I absolutely love it. And I've been using Pevonia for 25 years, so I've got tired eyes right now. I just got home from work, but this is me after a long day, so I love it. Thanks. I'd recommend Marine Collagen Cream if you want your skin to, not feel oily and greasy, but yet you've got fantastic moisture coverage, and it's something you can use in the morning and in the evening before you go to bed. So I also use a serum, and I use the Marine Collagen and Caviar. I can't remember the exact name, but it's great to put under before I put the actual Marine Collagen Cream on. So it's a great regimen.